Hello everyone. Welcome back. Day 6. Introduction to Charts in Excel. Series. Excel for Beginners. Topic. How to create and customize charts. Level, Beginner. Direct hit learning goals. By the end of this video, the viewer will be able to understand the purpose of charts, create different types of charts in Excel, customize chart layout and style, choose the right chart type for different data. 1. Introduction. Welcome to Day 6. Today we will learn how to make charts in Excel. 2. What is a chart? Definition. A chart is a graphical representation of data. Why use charts? White heavy check mark, easy to understand. White heavy check mark, highlight patterns and comparisons. White heavy check mark, visually appealing for presentations. 3 types of charts. Column chart. Compare values across categories. Line chart, show trends over time. Pie chart. Show proportions of a whole. Bar chart. Similar to column but horizontal. Combo chart. Mix 2 types of data. For how to create a chart. Step-by-step demo using simple data. Select data. Go to Insert tab, Charts group. Choose chart type. Insert and resize chart. 5. Customize your chart. Chart title. Data labels. Format chart style and colors. Move legend. Change chart type, optional. 6. Chart tools. Design and format tabs. Quick overview of chart tools menu. Switching rows/columns. Changing chart layout. 7. Mistakes to avoid. Too much data in pie chart. Wrong chart type. Missing labels or unclear colors. 8. Practice exercise. Data table example. Month. January. February. March. April. Pushpin task. Create a column chart and a pie chart using this data. Add proper title, data labels, and legend. 9. Homework assignment. Memo homework. Create charts for the following. Homework data. Category. Rent. Groceries. Utilities. Transportation. Entertainment. Savings. Direct hit tasks. 1. Create a pie chart showing how your salary is spent. 2. Create a bar chart for comparison. 3. Customize both charts with titles, labels, and a colorful style. 4. Save your Excel file as Day 6 under Homework on Charts. Backhand index pointing right. Upload your chart in the comments or tag me on Instagram/YouTube with a screenshot. Next class. Introduction to Sorting and Filtering. Day 7. Like, share and subscribe. Drop your doubts or homework screenshots in the comments speech balloon.